we have seen how to create database view and the projection view, maintain view and help view. So there I have provided most important interview questions related to view concepts and structure concepts. Okay, then next topic is search helps. Okay, search helps are objects that we can use to assign input help to screen fields. Input screen fields means, suppose I have a fields like name field. So here we can provide F4 help functionality to the name field or a city field or a country field. Okay, you can display list of possible input for the screen field. Suppose I have a name field, I will show, when I click F4 button, I will show list of all possible entry related to name field. So this is the functionality of search help. Search helps are classified into two types. First one is the elementary search help. Second one is a collective search help. Elementary search help is a F4 help. Elementary search helps describe select a search path actually. Inside elementary search help, we will use only one table. It means we will get the data from only one table. And inside the search help, we will use a select method. Okay. Then coming to next search help is collective search help. Collective search help means it is a combination of elementary search help. Okay. Here we will get the data from more than one table, but we cannot use select method inside collective search help. Instead of select method, we will include more than one elementary search help. So that is the main difference from elementary search help and collective search help. To create a search help, we will go to SC11 transaction code. So before creating a search help, so I want to make you understand what is a search help is. Okay, click on this is the standard table. Name is a BSEC. Okay, when I click contents, see here we can see these two, it's like a square boxes. If you see here, this field doesn't have any square boxes. Okay, see these are the search helps. So when I click this symbol, so we will get list of possible entries related to Booker's field. Okay, so here only one field having a search help. So let me go to another standard table, that is BKPF. So I will click on contents. See, Booker's fields have search help, and the Ballot field having search help, DL data having a search help. It means these are the search helps. Okay, when I click this one, we will get list of possible entries. So this is the date. So here we will get that date format. Suppose if I click on this field, these are the date. Okay, let me see. See, when I click the BLART field, so here we'll get list of possible entries related to BLART field. So these are the search helps. Okay, so you how to create custom search help and how to use this custom search help in our custom table fields. Okay, to create a search help, we will go to SC11 transaction code. SC11. So before creating a search help, I want to show you which table I'm using inside the selection method. Okay, here this is my table, a Z team Chennai. Okay, now I feel running, right? So that's why I'm using this type of example. So I will click on display button. See, when I click on contents, see, ZPID means player ID. These fields doesn't having any search help. It means doesn't having any square box. If you have to here, doesn't have any square boxes. So these fields have name field and control field doesn't having any search help. So I want to give search help these three fields. To create a search help, I will go to SC11 transaction again. I will select search help. I will give SHLP demo. Okay, I will click on create. I will choose elementary search help. I will click on OK. Here I will provide short description creating SHLP elementary EL SHLP. EL means elementary search help. So inside selection method I will give my table name team Chennai. I will give inside selection method. Now I will go to search help parameter. Here I will select employee ID, import and export parameters, position 1. Okay, position 1. Then I will select second parameter, import export position 2, and I will select my country field. I will select import and export and position is number 3. Okay, I will click on save. I will save it inside a local object. I will click on active. It's got activated. So I have successfully created elementary search help. Now I want to use this search help in my custom table. Now I will go to my table team Chennai. I will click on edit. I will double click on this one. Okay, inside, now we are inside a data element. Inside data element, further characteristics, click on further characteristics tab. See, here you will see search help, name and parameters. Inside the name we will give search help name. Parameter is a ID, player ID. I will click on save. I will click on activate. It's got activated. Then I will go to player name field. Here I will give name ZP name. I will click save. I will click on save. I will activate my data element. Then I will click on back. Then I will go to player country field. I will provide my search help name and then I will give I will click on save. Then I will click on activate button. Now it's got activated. We have successfully created one custom elementary search help and we have assigned our custom search help these 3 fields. Now I want to test whether it is working or not. Okay, To test, I will click on contents field. See here, GPID, it means a player ID. I will click on this one. Here we can see, here we will get a square symbols. I will click on F4. Here we can see the list of player ID. We can get player ID, player name, and a player country also. So now I will click on name field. See, here also we will get search help for name field. And then I will go to country tab, country field. Here also we can get search help for country field. Okay, now we have successfully created elementary search help.